So the issue is this person got CPS called on the non-custodial parent, and she's trying to figure out if she's wrong or whatever. But I find that for me, in this particular posting, I think it's telling that she brought up all of her history with this parent before she started talking about what's going on with the kid. Now, I say this because you could tell a lot from a person by what they prioritize. And you could tell it's all about how her relationship didn't work out with this person and not necessarily about that person's relationship with the kid, right? So I don't know if everything she's saying is accurate. I mean, I've been on CPS Reddit. A lot of people, their sense of reality and everybody else's sense of reality might not coincide all the time. But I do think it's important to note that in this particular case, apparently there was some court order that wasn't even mentioned until towards the end, where this person is getting access. To me, objectively, this feels a lot like a parental alienation case. And there's these comments about bruises and there's comments about all these other things and the diapers and all that. But I feel like in a lot of, and I don't know, because maybe there are bruises, I don't know. And if that kid needs to be the safety, then that person needs to deal with it. They should go and file for emergency custody or something, right? But I find that this kind of has the rhythm of a parental alienation case, right? You barely ever see your kid, no indication on your efforts to make sure that happen, right? There's some kind of court order that this person clearly got so that they could see the kid, and now after the first visit, it's a problem, and all these issues, right? It just seems like a whole compounding of issues. If it was really a major deal, then you would go file for emergency custody, but you didn't, right? You call CPS, and CPS gets a lot of these parental alienation cases, right? So from my perspective as a divorce attorney, I would think that this was an alienation issue and not necessarily the child is messed up issue. But I hear these kinds of problems a lot. So maybe I'm wrong. I don't know. But that's how I read it.